Hello everyone, welcome to Fine Arts YouTube channel. Today I am drawing a school building. Let's draw and paint it together. First I am drawing the roof of the building. I love drawing and painting so much. Please try to draw with me. Do you like to go to school? I love to go to school because I have too many friends at school. Let's draw the entrance of the school. Now I am drawing the walls, and now I am drawing the windows. The school has 8 windows. This is going to be colorful, lovely school building. Here is a clock. Let's paint this school with beautiful colors. Purple, red, yellow, Our school building looks very beautiful. Pink, green, blue, Our school building is complete. See you in the next video. Bye bye.